очень рад.
Министр по инвестициям и развитию, председатель правления Национального
Minister of Commerce, Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Minister of State for Petroleum, Minister of State for Investment, Secretary of Commerce, our Ambassador, and the Chairman of
Your Excellency President Nur Sultan Nazarbayev, distinguished members of the press corps, ladies and gentlemen, let me begin by expressing my gratitude to Your Excellency, your government, and the people of Kazakhstan for extending a warm welcome and generous hospitality to me and my delegation ever since our arrival in Astana. I am delighted to be in Kazakhstan and in particular its beautiful new capital Astana, a symbol of Kazakhstan's peace and progress. I am touched by the goodwill that the people of Kazakhstan express for Pakistan. In return, I bring with me the cordial greetings of the people of Pakistan for their Kazakh brothers. I have come to know that for Kazakhstan 2015 is a remarkable year, as it is celebrating several important anniversaries. We congratulate you, Mr. President, and the people of Kazakhstan on the occasion of the 550th anniversary of the Kazakh Khanate. We also congratulate you on the 20th anniversary of the Constitution of Kazakhstan and the 20th anniversary of the Assembly of the People of Kazakhstan. I am impressed by the remarkable political stability, social cohesion, and impressive economic progress that has been achieved under the visionary and far-sighted leadership of President Nazarbayev. We wish Kazakhstan all the best on its road to progress and prosperity. The people of Pakistan and Kazakhstan are tied in fraternal bonds with centuries-old roots. We also have great potential to further strengthen our relations to the mutual benefit of the two countries. During my visit, I have had the opportunity to discuss with you, Mr. President, a wide range of subjects, and we touched upon the whole spectrum of bilateral, regional, and international issues. We agreed to increase bilateral cooperation in trade, economy, energy, science and technology, and air connectivity between Pakistan and Kazakhstan. And we also agreed on forming joint ventures in different fields like textiles, agriculture, pharmaceutical, and other industries. And we'll be very happy to import gas and petrol and oil from Kazakhstan. And of course, His Excellency the President have also shown inclination in joining Pakistan in shipbuilding as well as other items in the field of trade and industry. We agreed to increase bilateral cooperation, and we also agreed to strengthen economic cooperation by optimally utilizing the existing institutional mechanisms. Our bilateral trade currently is not commensurate with actual potential and needs to be revitalized. And for that, we have decided to strengthen our connectivity and the links between Pakistan and Kazakhstan. And Kazakhstan and Pakistan will also cooperate with each other. And Kazakhstan, I have invited Kazakhstan to join the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which they have very kindly agreed. As we move forward, we would be taking concrete steps to expand mutual cooperation in diverse fields, including regional connectivity, energy, security, culture, and people-to-people exchanges. We have also decided to continue our cooperation in international forums, including the United Nations, SCO, ECO, and OIC. We are grateful to Kazakhstan for its valuable support to Pakistan for attaining full membership of SCO. The people of Pakistan would always value this gesture of friendship. We also are deeply appreciative of Kazakhstan's support to Pakistan's successful bid to become non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council in 2013, and will happily support Kazakhstan's candidature to the non-permanent seat of the Security Council for 2017-2018. We also reviewed the regional situation, especially with regards to Afghanistan. A peaceful and stable Afghanistan remains vital for peace and stability in our region. We both continue to support an inclusive Afghan-led and Afghan-owned peace process. My visit to Astana has provided both of us the opportunity to reflect on our common goals of progress, prosperity, development, connectivity, and integration of the entire region. I have also invited President Nazarbayev to visit Pakistan, and we look forward to his visit at an early date. Long live Pakistan-Kazakhstan friendship. Thank you.
Құрметті әріптестер, назарларыңызға